the ever-changing landscape of how consumers use AI and businesses use AI and agencies use AI. Are you guys adjusting any of your auditing or 2026 planning to kind of account for AI usage and how people find businesses, whether it's B2B or B2C?
Go for it, Noelle.
Okay. I did want to know if you're going first, but yeah. So really just what we're looking for is really just understanding for each industry where those people are, how are they searching? So just understanding where it's coming from. So whether that's through AI, whether that's through any other channels, but just ensuring that when we're talking about like things like content creation and SEO overall, just ensuring that we are giving very good, robust content when we're talking about building out those content strategies. So, really just understanding when we're making recommendations of how that can impact and help them and be beneficial when users or anybody are searching within AI to ensure that we're giving them that robust strategy that can help as we are seeing so many things evolve moving forward.
And what I can say in terms of AI and how we use it kind of to as a preface towards what we deliver for an audit is it doesn't help us to think, but what it does is it provides deeper insights to what we can provide as a solution for clients. So it uncovers and unpacks things that a lot of research would have been needed to get there, and it really does create more insights and kind of a larger swath of insights that we can really use. There's still human strategy behind everything that we do, but it is allowing us to create insights towards optimizations and provide insights that come from a larger research model that otherwise would take us a lot longer to kind of fuel to get you to market.
Yeah, no, I think that's a great explanation. And I know one thing we've been doing a lot of at Stream is combining all of these different data points that may require in the future, or not in the future, they've required in the past, a lot of manual effort to sort of tie all of these pieces of information together. And it's something we continue to kind of explore of how do we bring in SKU data from a product feed and combine that with sales performance or CRM data or GA4 data or Google Ads data and then competitor data and really put that into one place to then make cohesive business decisions outside of a silo. So really, I think it's sort of a natural evolution of utilization of AI is really taking all of the available data and then using that to get some very not quick but much quicker than a human could do it. Bringing that strategic mindset to be able to do some large scale data analysis to really understand where are opportunities and where can we go. I also will, again, I've talked about this at length, but in my opinion, I think a really important piece for businesses and agencies alike when it comes to AI, specifically in search and large language models, is thinking of search as a kind of cohesive strategy, not necessarily breaking it down to SEO or paid search, but really how are you building this one kind of true north for your search strategy? Because we're going to continue to see changes in how Google and large language models incorporate organic search results and paid ads. We've already seen it with Google announcing that they're going to incorporate paid ads into AI overviews, as well as OpenAI has announced that they're going to bring in ads into ChatGPT in 2026. So that's going to really kind of be the next frontier of search. For everybody involved, I think it's really important to think through those two areas as one cohesive search strategy and not necessarily breaking it up into SEO and paid search.